So you post a video, it gets some initial views, and then it starts to taper down. But eventually it starts to climb, and you're getting 100, 200, even 1,000 views a day, and it stays like this for years. See, at this point right here, this is where the video ranked in YouTube and Google search. That's what an evergreen video looks like. It's a video you create once, and then it generates you views for your business 24/7 while you sleep. Here are some key characteristics of evergreen videos. They're highly searchable. They stay relevant for years, meaning people continue to search for them. They solve a clear problem for your customer, and then they're free after you make the video, meaning there's no marketing spend or ad spend required. Now there is one catch though. Evergreen videos take a while for them to work. The results are not immediate. But once it does rank, it's going to generate views without you doing anything else. Let's break down how to make them, go over some ideas, and show you some examples. Now, the best way to come up with an idea for an evergreen video is to think about what your customers are searching for. Now, the videos are usually some sort of how-to video, tutorial. They're a review or a product comparison video. They're a list video, or just FAQ videos answering common questions. So you're going to want to think about what your customer is searching for, but take it one step further. For example, if you sell outdoor patio furniture and you want to make some evergreen videos, make a video on how to winterize your deck, how to clean outdoor patio furniture, or patio ideas on a budget. These are all videos that you can use your products in, but not directly promote. Evergreen videos are going to catch that customer in the awareness and the research phase of their buying journey. And by having nice videos or how-to videos, reviews, you're going to set your company up as an authority figure for that customer. And when they get around to making a purchase, they're going to think of your business. So what makes up a good evergreen video? Now, the number one rule is that these are made for your customer and not your brand. It's not a sales video and it's not a pitch video. It's all about helping your customer. As soon as it gets too salesy, it's not going to work and it's not going to get recommended to others. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples I found on YouTube. So the first one is Howie's Hockey Tape, and you can see all of their most popular videos are evergreen style videos. How to tape a hockey stick blade, how to tape your shin pads, how to lace your hockey skates. Now these processes really don't go out of style or change, so that's why they work great for an evergreen video. Next up is Running Warehouse. You can see their most popular videos are all evergreen videos. You have how to lace running shoes, pronation, and shoe selection. There's even some reviews up here. Next up is a company called Schluter Systems, and they make all kinds of tiling products for bath and kitchens. Now their whole product line is about how the DIYer can do a shower themselves. So they make all kinds of evergreen videos related to that. Tips on finishing a shower niche, how to waterproof your shower installation, tips on trowel size and tile coverage. Again, these are all the things that people are going to be searching for who want to do a shower or a bath on their own. And finally, we have a bigger brand example, Lowe's. You can see most of their popular videos are how-to videos or evergreen videos. So how to design and install a paver walkway, how to paint cabinets, how to build a floating deck or a retaining wall. These things, again, don't change, so they work great as evergreen videos. But the most important thing of all these is it's what people are searching for. If you can create videos about what people are searching for, you're going to generate long-term, high-quality traffic to your business. So once you created the video, there's a few things you want to do to maximize its effectiveness. Number one, write a blog post to go along with it. Not only are you going to rank on YouTube search and Google search, but that blog post itself could rank in Google search, and then that's going to drive even more views to your video. Number two is title and thumbnail. Now it's important that these both accurately describe what the video is about, but also create a little bit of an intrigue to get the viewer to click on them. So number three is when you do post it, try to get as many views as you can in that first 48 hours. That means posting it on your social, sending it out on an email list. Basically, the more views you can get earlier, it's just going to shorten that time before it ranks and really takes off. Number four is to wait. And honestly, this is the hardest part. But think of an evergreen video as a long-term investment where you're continually making these videos that you know are going to pay off eventually. All right, so that wraps up the video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them. Again, my name is Rob Devereux. I'm the creative director here at Capture Video Marketing. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.